Take a look at this YouTube channel called Late Science, a channel that exploded from 0 to over 80,000 subscribers and 8 million views in just few months, with their top-performing videos getting millions of views. Those numbers aren't just impressive, they're profitable. This channel has already made thousands of dollars from long-form space documentaries that keep viewers hooked for hours. You might be wondering, what exactly is this channel doing? They create cinematic, highly immersive space documentaries, sometimes 2 hours long, filled with stunning cosmic visuals, epic storytelling, and deep scientific exploration. These videos tap into a powerful psychological trigger, cosmic curiosity. When people start watching space content, they don't just stop after 2 minutes. They fall into the story, the visuals, the mystery, and that high retention is exactly what the YouTube algorithm loves. Now here's the crazy part. You can make these exact same types of videos using free AI tools. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any step. Now let's get started. The very first step in creating a viral long-form space documentary is getting a video topic or title that people actually want to watch. This is where most creators get stuck, but you don't have to. I've already put together a Google Doc with ready-to-use prompts designed specifically for this niche. Inside that document, you'll find topic prompts, long-form documentary script prompts, and high-detail cinematic image prompts you can plug directly into your AI tools. The link to the Google Doc is in the description below, so definitely check it out. And hey, if you've made it this far into the video, do me a quick favor and hit the like button. It signals to the YouTube algorithm that this content is valuable, and it helps this video reach more creators who want to grow successful faceless channels using AI. Alright, let's jump straight back into the tutorial. Head over to the Google Doc, copy the entire topic prompt. Once you've copied it, head over to your favorite AI text generator. For this tutorial, I'm using ChatGPT, but you can use any AI writing tool you prefer. Paste the prompt directly into the chat box and make one small adjustment. Type in the number of video ideas or titles you want the AI to generate for you. Then hit enter. And in just a few seconds, the AI will produce a full list of high-engagement, click-worthy YouTube titles specifically optimized for the space documentary niche. And if the first batch doesn't feel perfect, don't stress it. Simply ask ChatGPT to generate more options. It will instantly give you a fresh set of titles to choose from. Now take your time browsing through the lists and pick the title that stands out the most. Now that you've chosen your video title, it's time to create your 1 or 2 hour-long, highly engaging documentary script. Head back to the Google Doc and copy the entire script prompt. This prompt is designed specifically to help you produce cinematic, curiosity-driven space documentaries, just like the ones dominating this niche. Once you've copied it, return to ChatGPT and paste the prompt into the chat. Before you hit enter, make a few quick adjustments. First, enter the number of hours you want your script to be, whether 1 hour or even a full 2-hour documentary. Then enter the topic or title you selected earlier. After that, simply click enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a full-length, professionally structured script designed to hook viewers, maintain retention, and keep your video performing well in the algorithm. The next step is creating your professional-sounding voiceover, and for this, we'll be using 11 Labs. Start by heading over to 11 Labs. Click Sign Up and create your account. Once you're logged in, click on Instant Speech to open the creation interface. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the script you generated earlier. Return to 11 Labs and paste the script into the text box. Take a moment to clean up the script. Remove headings or anything you don't want in your script. Next, click on Voices. 11 Labs offers a variety of voice options. Preview each one until you find the perfect tone that matches your documentary style. Once you've selected a voice, click Generate. In just moments, 11 Labs will produce a high-quality, natural-sounding voiceover. Finally, download the completed voiceover straight to your device. The next step is generating the visuals for your video, but first we need high-quality image prompts. Head back to the Google Doc and copy the entire image prompt. Then open ChatGPT and paste the prompt into the chat box. Before hitting enter, make one small adjustment. Enter the number of image prompts you want the AI to generate. Once you press enter, ChatGPT will produce a full set of highly detailed, ready-to-use image prompts within seconds. These prompts are perfectly structured for creating the kinds of space visuals that make your documentary feel cinematic, immersive, and professional, the same style that channels like Late Science use to captivate millions of viewers. Now it's time to generate the visuals for your video, and for this, we'll be using Google Image FX. Start by heading over to Image FX and logging in with your Gmail account. Once you're in, click on Settings and set the aspect ratio to 16:9. This ensures all your images are perfectly sized for standard YouTube videos. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy your first image prompt. Return to Image FX, paste the prompt into the box, and click Generate. Within seconds, the AI will produce realistic cinematic images tailored to your prompt, exactly the type of visuals your documentary needs. You'll usually see multiple results. Take your time to review them, select the one that fits your scene best, and download it to your device. Then repeat this process for all remaining prompts until you have a full set of visuals ready to bring your video to life. The next step is animating your images into dynamic video clips. And for this, we'll be using Kling AI. Start by heading over to Kling AI and creating your account. Once logged in, click the plus icon and select Image to Video. This opens the animation interface. Then upload the first image you want to bring to life. Next, you'll need an animation prompt. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt you originally used to generate that image. Return to Kling AI and paste it into the prompt box. For the settings, choose either standard or professional mode, depending on how much detail and realism you want in your animation. Set your desired video duration, and when you're ready, click Generate. The AI will begin animating your image. This may take a few moments, so be patient. Once your clip is generated, preview it to see how well the animation turned out. If it looks good, download it directly to your device. Then repeat this process for all your remaining images, and soon you'll have a full set of animated clips ready to assemble into a professional, viral-ready documentary. The final step is assembling and editing your video, and for this, we'll be using CapCut. Start by opening CapCut and clicking New Project, then import all the animated clips you generated earlier. Make sure to set the aspect ratio to 16:9, the standard format for YouTube videos. Next, import your VoiceOver. Begin by carefully cutting out any empty spaces or pauses, making sure your edits are clean and seamless. Then, arrange your clips to sync perfectly with the narration, so your storytelling flows naturally. To make your video more visually engaging, add video effects. Click on Effects, browse the options, and select the ones that enhance your scenes. Drag them along your timeline to apply consistently throughout the video. Now import background music to add atmosphere. Be sure to reduce the volume so it complements the voiceover rather than overpowering it. Finally, add captions to improve accessibility and viewer retention. Click on Text, select Auto Captions, choose your preferred template, and click Generate. In few seconds, your captions will be ready. Adjust their size and position to fit your video layout. Once everything is in place, watch your video from start to finish to ensure it flows smoothly. If you're satisfied, click Export, increase the resolution to 4K, and download the video to your device. Now let's take a look at our final result.
At the edge of what we can observe lies a darkness that defies comprehension, a cosmic hole, vast, ancient, and insatiable, swallowing light, time, and perhaps information itself. NASA's instruments have peered into it, James Webb has glimpsed the invisible, and what we found is stranger than we ever imagined. These are not just anomalies in space, they are signposts, echoes of processes so vast.
Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, please like, subscribe, and comment with any questions.